Welcome back. Today we're going to go over Google Analytics, quickly how to install it on a website. Google Analytics is essential for tracking your website, traffic, conversions, and everything in between. We want to be able to quantify our website traffic to our clients in reporting processes, and it all starts with Google Analytics tracking. Stay tuned. I'm going to make this as quick as I can.
Manually. There it is. Put it in a notepad. GA code, right? And then you might even go GA code, GA4. But we know it's the GA4 because of the way it's styled. That is a GA4 code. But I think it's good to say what it is, right? And then the same thing, go back over here, go into UA, open, admin. Here they call just right here, tracking info, tracking code. Real simple. Get the tracking code. Then you go over here, back to my notepad. Now I've got the Google Analytics. Just put UA. UA, GA4. Now that's the code that we need.
It should be in the main template.
That's correct. Template. Main. And if we had multiple headers, some of these clients might be like, hey, I want to use this header footer combination here and this header footer combination there. Then we'd have to add it to both of those main templates. Does that make sense?
Okay.
If they wanted a different header on their blog than they want on the rest of their site, then we would just add it on both, right? So basically, there are other ways to do this. There's plugins, but for the sake of not having an additional plugin, because Google says put this in the head of your code, not in the body. But what I'm doing is I'm actually putting it in the body of the code. And guess what? It still works, right? So I stuck it right in here in main. I think I put it in my row right. There it is. I put the code and I named it. So it's a code block. I just added
a code block.
I add a code block, and then it gives me this block. And then I go in here and I just paste in that script that I just copied. So there's the GA script, there's the UA script, there's both the scripts. And that's why it renders both. And then because we have these scripts, then we can go on the contact form itself and add that tracking code on the contact form. And because it has this, the tracking code also picks it up and works.